Hey friend, it is Kate here. Thank you so much for joining me for a class today. Now I have got a 10-minute lovely ab blasting Pilates class. All levels are welcome, but there are some more challenging poses for us and exercises today, so know you can always modify, do as much, as little, as whatever suits your body. Roll out your mat, let's get started. Remember friend, if you don't have time for this class right now, no big deal. Just add it to your to watch later and you can join me whenever it's most convenient for you. We'll start laying on our back today, so just go ahead, arrive on your mat. Take a moment, open your arms a little bit wider away from your body. Feel your low back touch the mat. Gently push down through both of your feet and see if you can kind of relax the top of your thighs and move that tension that might be in our thighs down to our stomach. Think about wrapping your obliques in, pulling your low belly down. Sometimes I envision there's a big heavy object sitting on my tummy, just encouraging those muscles to grow a little bit closer to the center of my body. Open up across the chest, point your nose to the sky, take a big inhale. As you exhale, cinch your waist more, pick up your right leg, set it down, exhale, pick up your left leg. Simply go side to side, and as we lift and lower each leg, ideally we want to bring our knee over our hip. If it's a little closer, a little further away, not the end of the world, but what I do really want you to focus on is keeping the low back touching the mat and still that image, that feeling of a big heavy object, just gently encouraging those muscles to grow closer to the center of your body. 2 more times, exhale up, inhale down, exhale up, inhale down. Now this time, pick up your right leg and pause. Shoulders down the back, low belly in, flex your foot. Inhale, straighten the leg away from the body. Exhale, cinch your waist, pull it in. Straighten your leg away from your body. Exhale, cinch the waist, pull it in. Push your leg through and pull it back. You can almost imagine that there is peanut butter or quicksand down by your legs. It is challenging to push through. It is challenging to pull back. This time, reach the foot away, pause. Point your toe, drive it further away from your body. Wrap the tummy muscles in, stomp into your left leg. Give me 5 tiny circles of your lifted right leg. Around 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, pause. Reverse. You might even take your left hand to your left hip, seeing if there's any movement going on there. Pause. Cinch the waist. Again, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, pause. Last time, reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold, navel to spine, shoulders down the back. Big inhale, exhale, kick your leg to the sky, drop it down. Exhale, kick your leg to the sky, drop it down. 3 more, cinch the waist up and lower. 2 more, cinch the waist up and lower. Last one up, pause, take a big breath, set your foot on the floor. Pick up your opposite leg, give it a flex, and then drive it away, pull the navel to spine, return. Reach it out, pull it in. Notice if you're letting your right knee kind of fall off to the sky or off to the side. We want to gently push down into the whole of the right foot, activating that right leg, keeping it engaged, keeping it stabilizing our body so we have the ability to move exclusively through the left. Now, this time, push the foot away, pause, point your toe, grow long, like someone is pulling your ankle away from your body. Right hand to right hip, teeny tiny circles. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, pause. Reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, pause. Again, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, pause. Last time, reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, hold, hand down, take a big inhale, exhale, kick your leg to the sky, drop it down. Cinch your waist, lift your leg to the sky, drop it down. 3 more, up and down. 2 more, up and down. Last one, up, bring it down, and then set it on the floor. Plant both feet firmly onto the mat, hands behind the head, elbows wide. Take a great big breath, curl head and chest up. Elbows open up. Cinch your belly. Big inhale, exhale, pick up your right leg, drop it down, pick up the left leg, drop it down. As you lift and lower, cinch the waist a little bit more. It's still like that great big heavy object is sitting right there. Can we keep our head and our chest in the same plane the entire time? I'm neither lifting or lowering. I'm simply maintaining that curl up. Exhale up, inhale down. Exhale up, Inhale down. One more set, side to side. And then from here, lift up your right leg, give it a flex, drive the foot away, exhale, tone the tummy, pull it in. Drive the foot away, exhale, cinch the waist, pull it in. 3 more, press and pull. 2 more, press and pull. Last one, reach, pause, point your toe, grow long, curl up a little bit higher, take a big inhale, tiny circles. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause. Stomp into your your left foot, curl up a little higher, reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause. Again. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause. Last time, reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. Big inhale. Exhale, curl and lift. Inhale, drop. Exhale, cinch the waist, lift. Inhale, drop. 3 more, up and down. 2 more, up and down. Relax your neck and face, smile. This time lift it up, bring it down, pause. Take a great big breath, pick up your left leg, give it a flex. Drive the foot away, tone the tummy, pull it back. Push the foot away, pull it back. Keep the elbows wide. Keep cinching the waist a little deeper. Can you keep folding up from the back of the ribs, the back of the shoulders? This time, push the foot out, hold, point the toe, reach it further away, maybe lift a little higher, tiny circles. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause. Reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause. Again. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause. Last time. Lift from the shoulders, from the back of the body. Hold. Big inhale. Lift and lower. Exhale, lift. Inhale, lower. Cinch and up. Drop it down. 2 more, up. Drop it down. Last one, up. Hold. The foot down, the head and chest down. Take a moment, reach your hands over your head. Find a nice, easy stretch. The body, wiggle the fingers. Maybe take a little sway of your knees. Pull them into your chest. Big inhale. Take a rock and roll up to a seat. Now from here, hands behind the thighs, elbows wide, sit tall, sit straight, take a big breath. Tip off your sitting bones, rocking into a Pilates C-curve. Wrap the ribs in, open the elbows wide, soften the neck and chest. From here, take a big inhale, pick up your right leg, set it down. Pick up your left leg, set it down. If we want to, we can keep our hands behind our thighs. If we want to try something different, take them out and away. I am pushing my palms down into the ground. I am wrapping the tummy in, dropping it down. Wrapping the tummy in, dropping it down. 2 more. Now the next time you pick up your right leg, I want you to keep it there. Pick up your right leg, pause, hug behind the thighs, sit taller, sit straighter, pick up the left leg, hug. If the inner thighs can touch, that's great. If there's a little space, not the end of the world. Cinch the waist no matter where you are, and then see again if we can reach our hands out and away. Take a great big breath. Big sigh out. Can you reach your head and chest away? Exhale, pull the navel to spine, return. Reach head and chest away. Exhale, pull it right back in. 3 more, open. Exhale, close. 2 more, open. Exhale, close. Last one, reach and pause. Navel to spine, squeeze the inner thighs, reach your toes further away, and flutter your legs. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause, belly button in, smile, we love it. Flutter. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause, belly button in, reach long. One more time. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold, take a big inhale. Exhale, pull yourself right back up. Hands behind the thighs again. Lift a little taller out of your waist. And once more, reach the fingers away. If we need to set a foot down, one or both, it's okay. Otherwise, try and touch your fingertips towards one another. Lift a little higher. Take a big inhale. Exhale, twist to the right. Inhale, lift. Exhale, twist to the left. Inhale, lift. Exhale, twist. Inhale up. Exhale, twist. Inhale up. 2 more. Last set. Last one.
Take both hands out and away, open them, press down, take a big, deep, full inhale. Again, reach knees and chest away, exhale, pull it back. Reach toes and head away, exhale, pull it back. 2 more out, exhale, return. Last one out, pause, navel to spine, reach long, squeeze the inner thighs, flutter, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, pause. Again, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, pause. Last time, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Walk your feet in, open them a little bit wider than your hips. Knock the knees together and feel your low back touch the mat. Take a little sway of your knees side to side. Walk them in, pull your right knee into your chest, give it a little hug, a little squeeze, elongate the left leg. Circle the knee out and away from the body. You can take your hand to your hip or off to the side, whatever feels best. Opposite direction. And then same thing, other side. Take that nice big stretch and then circle. Other direction. Once more, reach your hands over your head. If you want to arch your back a little, if that feels nice and natural, go for it. If it feels better to maintain more of an imprinted spine or a neutral spine, you can too. Big full inhale, big sigh out. And then come on, push yourself up to a seat. As always, friends, give yourself a pat on the back. Thank yourself for doing something so good and just for you. I certainly hope you enjoyed class. I cannot wait to see you again. Thanks again for joining me for class today. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Remember, you can find more videos just like this by downloading our Yoga Plus app.
Welcome to Yoga Plus. Courses available from pupil to yogi. Sort by yoga, fitness, and instructors. Create your own routines. Access the pose library. Yoga Plus by Psyche Truth, available on Google Play and the App Store.
Join us for 14 and 30-day programs, hour-long classes, and much more on our yoga app, Yoga Plus by Psyche Truth. It's free to download and features a variety of wellness content, including yoga, fitness, Pilates, guided meditations, and interviews with dozens of wellness experts.